I'm Adam, but Jessica, I'm doing a presentation about plate tectonics con for continent plate boundaries. So the introduction is where the plates converge, a plate cracks that oceanic rust descends beneath a plate within a much kernel crust. The landscapes of the National Park Service lies how conversion plate boundaries produces that in a result of diversity of mountain ranges and complex geologic structures characteristic of subduction zones in extremities, trinities, and Coastal mountain ranges. And then when the plates converge, the one of thin oceanic crust substitutes beneath the one capped by thick coastal crust. A subduction zone consists of national scraped off the ocean floor and near the crust and naturally woodage in chains of volcanoes, further island and oceanographic islands traditional in the zones are too thick in the bottom to subtract. Instead, they attach of a continent and they fall down in oceanic islands and continental formations approaching the subduction zone are too thick and bottom to subtract. Instead, they attach the edge of the continent as related tensions. The continents provide where subduction completely closest to the ocean in the continental crust lifts up a broad region known as a continental mountain range. And here's the citation where I got it from. Here's that citation where I got the information from.